Hi guys, I'm Russell Llagas, and this is my partner Denisa Garcia, and we are third year students at Lumando Public College. Some of us get really confused on how we're solving the special product, so we are here to help you guys. Let's define first what is a special product. Special product is another form of presenting a shorter method for multiplying algebraic expression. Under this, we have first one, square of binomials, sum and difference of two binomials, binomials by binomials, binomial by binomial, square of trinomial, and cube of binomial. Let's first discuss about the square of binomials. In this one, we use this form. The quantity a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. And then we have the quantity a minus b squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. For example, we have the quantity 2a plus b squared. Squaring the first term plus twice the product of the first and the last term plus square the last term. 2a squared is equal to 4a squared plus twice the product of the first and last term. We have 4ab plus b squared. So this is now the final answer. Example number 2, we have the quantity 2x squared minus y squared. Squaring the first term minus, take note the sign, plus the product of the first and the last term plus the square of the last term. We have 4x to the fourth times the 2 times the product of the first and the last term. We have 4x squared y plus, since we are multiplying the same sign, we have a positive y squared. So this is now the final answer. So let's come to sum and difference of two binomials. This one we use the form the quantity a plus b times a minus b. This is equal to a squared minus b squared. For example, we have the quantity 2a plus b times the quantity 2a minus b. This is equal to 2 times 2a times 2a plus the sign b times negative b. We have 2a times 2a, 4a squared, positive b times negative b is equal to negative b squared. So that's the final answer. Let's go to monomial by binomial. For this one, we use the form a times the quantity x plus y. This is equal to ax plus ay. For example, we have 2x times the quantity 2x squared plus y squared. This is equal to 2x times x squared is equal to 2x cubed plus 2x times y squared is equal to 2x squared. And that's now the final answer. So now, let's get to binomial by binomial. For this one, we use the form the quantity a plus b times the quantity a plus c. This is equal to a squared plus ab plus ac plus bc. We use this the FOIL method, where f stands for the first term, o for the outer, I for the inner, and L for the last. For example, we have the quantity x plus 2y times x plus 3. X squared plus x times 3 plus 2y times x plus 2y times 3. We have x squared plus 3x plus 2xy plus 6y. And this is now our final answer. So, let's go to the square of trinomials. For the square of trinomials, we use this form. The quantity a plus b plus c squared is equal to a squared plus 2 times the product of the first and the last term plus 2 times the product of the first and the third term plus b squared, which is the second term, plus 2 times the second term and the last term plus the cube of the last term. For example, we have the quantity 2a plus b plus 3c squared. This is equal to a squared plus 2 times the quantity 2a times b plus 2 times 2a times 3c plus b squared plus 2 times b times 3c plus 3c squared. And this is equal to 4a squared plus 4ab plus 12ac plus b squared plus 6bc plus 9c squared. And this is now our final answer. And this is for the cube of binomial. For the cubic binomial, we use this form. The quantity a plus b cubed. This is equal to a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cubed. For example, we have the quantity 2a plus 3b cubed. This is equal to 2a cubed plus 3 times 2a squared times b times 3b plus 3 times 2a times 3b squared plus 3b cubed. This is equal to 8a cubed plus 36a squared b plus 54ab squared plus 27b cubed. And this is now our final answer. And now it's time for our exercise. Are you excited, guys? For number 1, we have the quantity 3a minus 2b squared. Number 2, we have 2x times the quantity x squared minus 2y. For number 3, we have 2a cubed b squared times the quantity 3a plus ab. For number 4, we have the quantity 2x plus y times the quantity x plus 2y. And for number 5, we have the quantity 2m squared minus 6m squared. And that's all. Thank you, guys. I hope you learned for this day. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Thank you.